Hello, hello guys. Good morning. How are you all? So today we are going to talk about the software development models. It's like whenever we develop the software or application, we follow some models. So those models we will discuss today one by one. Now the different software development models are Big Bang model, spiral model, prototype model, waterfall model, V model, and agile model. So these are the types of models. Coming to Big Bang model, this model is in the context of software development lifecycle is a straightforward and flexible approach to software development. It is characterized by minimal planning and high adaptability, making it suitable for projects with unclear or evolving requirements. So this Bang model is a flexible approach. So time, effort, and resources. These three are required for this model to develop the software. So this is a simple model, is a basic model of software development. Coming to next, advantages and disadvantages of the spiral Big Bang model are advantages are quick start. Development can start immediately without waiting for detailed requirements. Flexibility. Adjustments can be made on the fly based on new ideas or changing needs. Low initial cost, minimal investment in planning and documentation at the beginning. What are the disadvantages? Lack of structure. The absence of a systematic approach makes it hard to manage and scale. Unpredictability. Final outcomes may deviate significantly from initial expectations. Poor for large or complex projects. Unsuitable for the projects that require detailed planning, long timelines, or significant conditions. This this model uh, is for small projects only, not for big and large projects. When to use Big Bang model means small projects, best suited for small scale projects with limited scope, undefined requirements. Works when requirements are not clear or are likely to evolve. Prototyping or proof of concept. Useful for quickly demonstrating ideas or concepts to stakeholders. Coming to spiral model. The spiral model in the software development life cycle is an iterative and risk-driven approach that combines elements of both the waterfall model and prototyping. This model is structured around a sequence of iterations, each called a spiral, where the project moves through phases with an emphasis on risk analysis and incremental refinement. So, risk analysis and planning, then coming to requirement analysis, then coding and testing, and then evaluation. This is the spiral model. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are risk reduction. Risk analysis at each stage helps mitigate potential project risks early. Flexibility. Requirements can be modified as the project progresses, allowing for dynamic changes. Customer involvement. Frequent evaluations and feedback from the stakeholders ensure the project aligns with user expectations. Good for large high risk projects. This model is suitable for large complex projects that require a high level of reliability. What are the disadvantages? Complexity and cost. Frequent risk assessments and iterations can make the process costly and time consuming. Dependence on risk analysis requires skilled risk analysis, and mistakes here can lead to wasted resources. Not ideal for small projects. Due to its iterative nature, the complexity it's often inefficient for small or low risk projects. When to use high risk projects suitable for projects with high complexity, large scale, or high stakes with risk mitigation is crucial. Evolving requirements works when requirements are unclear or are likely to change over time. Long-term projects ideal for projects that are expected to last a long time and will benefit from iterative refinement. Prototype model. The prototype model is a software development. In the software development life cycle is a development approach where a working prototype is built, tested, and refined based on user feedback before the final system is developed. This model is ideal for projects where requirements are not well understood at the beginning or are likely to evolve over time. Advantages: improved understanding of requirements helps clarify vague or incomplete requirements early in the process. Enhanced user involvement. Stakeholders are actively involving in shaping the system, ensuring alignment with their expectations. Reduced development risks. Early feedback minimizes the risk of building a system that doesn't meet user needs. Early detection of issues. Potential design and usability problems are identified and addressed early. Disadvantages: time consuming, frequent refinements and iterations can increase the development time. High costs. Building and repeatedly improving prototypes can be expensive. When to use this prototype model? When there are unclear requirements. Ideal when initial requirements are incomplete, ambiguous, or evolving. User-centric applications. Perfect for projects requiring significant user interaction or usability focus, such as user interfaces or web applications. High-risk projects suitable for exploring innovative ideas or technologies where feasibility is uncertain. Thank you very much, guys. So, this is the first part of software development models. The second part will come now. Next, the second part will be there in the next part. So, just like, share, and subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications whenever I post the videos. Thank you.